Welcome to the Princeton Satellite Systems MATLAB Toolbox tutorials. In this video, we are going to show you how to use MATLAB's Help window. We are going to assume you have already installed the software and have your path set. If not, see our Getting Started video. To open the Help window, type doc into the command window and hit enter. Alternatively, you could click on the Help tab and then click on Product Help. The MATLAB Help window is really useful because it lists and gives you descriptions of not only every function MATLAB has, but also all of your toolboxes. If you expand MATLAB and then Functions, you can explore all of MATLAB's built-in functions. If you collapse that, you can also see the demos that MATLAB has built in. Now we can explore the software you purchased. If we collapse MATLAB and go to the toolbox you purchased, you can see similar links. You can see this page gives you a general description of all the pages. We can click on the What's Included page to see all the modules the toolbox includes. We can go to the New Features and click on the latest version to see what has been added to this new version. The Getting Started page gives you an overview of some of the basic functions the toolbox provides. The Add-on Modules page gives you a list of additional modules that you can purchase if you have specific needs. The GUI Help gives you descriptions of all the GUIs included in the toolbox. The Functions shows you all of the functions available to you in this toolbox. Finally, the Help window also gives you a list of demos that the toolbox has. We can expand other demos and then your specific toolbox and see the various demos.